Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with safety and facts. Turn the ignition off and remove the key, then put on gloves. You'll inspect terminals now. Look for white or green corrosion and loose clamps because poor contact causes drains. Next, measure voltage with a multimeter. A healthy charged battery reads about 12. 6V. If it's under 12, 2V, charge it. Once done, label the battery age. Most motorcycle batteries older than 3 years need closer attention. You'll now find what's draining the battery. With the negative terminal disconnected, put your multimeter in series to measure current in milliamps. Normal parasitic draw is usually below 50 mA. If draw is high, replace the terminal and pull fuses one by one until the draw drops. This isolates the circuit. Once you identify the circuit, inspect wiring, switches, and accessories like alarms or USB hubs. A shorted connector or stuck relay. You finish by cleaning and restoring good connections. Neutralize corrosion with baking soda paste, tighten clamps, and add dielectric grease to prevent return. Then charge the battery slowly at 2 to 4 amps until full. After charging, perform a load or capacity test to confirm health. Reinstall everything and retest voltage and parasitic draw. If the drain or charging voltage is still wrong, test the stator and regulator rectifier next. Alternator faults can mimic battery failure, so verify charge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.